It is a very small gathering. I must tell the reason afterward. So, very good morning to Professor Bhubaneswar Biswal, who is chief guest of this morning. Professor RP Mohandi sir, who was former employer of me when I was in SOA University. My friend Dr. Dhananjay Sadangi, continuing PhD in the neighboring institute. Delegates from different places, students and my colleagues. Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing is a buzzword and it is a current topic, and we had published the first book on Industry 4.0 in 2020 from this institute. And since 2020 we are trying our best to convert this single book to a series of books that is on Industry 4.0. But we couldn't get any support from any publishing houses, therefore it was delayed by 2 years. And last year when we submitted a proposal to Springer book series on lecture note in mechanical engineering, which is under the editorship, chief editorship of Professor Fakhr Chari, who is a professor of Tunisia National University, he accepted the proposal and he has given a go-ahead signal. But I must tell you that for any conference series, the first year there is a restriction. So it must not go beyond 25 papers. So that is the reason we have never propagated this or circulated the information to many people. We have sent invitation to different university and their research dean. So it is limited to limited circulation only. And as a result, we have received more than 50 papers. Even if we have just sent a single letter, we have received more than 50 papers as on today. However, this year proceeding will accommodate only 25 papers. So that is the reason why the less number of participants are there. And another thing, that there is a restriction in any of the publishing house. You cannot publish more than 30% of the paper from a single country. That is, we are the host country, India. We cannot take more than 8 papers from India. So that is the reason probably only 3 participants are there from India and remaining paper will be from other country. And we have received from China, from Japan, from Korea, other papers which will be evaluated by a team of reviewers, because it should have completed 2 months earlier, but anyway it was open, and you must have seen in the brochure, in the standee, it is written that Springer Nature EQOCS, Open Conference Services, and through that they will evaluate, and the editor-in-chief will evaluate out of 50 submitted paper and select only the 25 paper. We have started this institute in 2008. I must tell for the guests who have joined here, and we have started a network, that is InterScience Research Network, throughout the globe. More than 100 mentors are there in this network, and they are all editor-in-chief or book series editors and renowned professors and researchers. Through them, we are organizing, we are giving support to the upcoming researchers who are doing research in different fields. Basically, if you look at the research area, computer science is the main research focus of many areas. So if there are research publication is 100, out of 100, 90 will be computer science and different area, and 10 will be from other areas. So maximum conferences or books we are editing from this house are from computer science and related discipline. Like today's talk is on Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing. Here you will find big data, you will find machine learning, you will find AI, you will find smart manufacturing and other things. So whatever area we are choosing, IT is a fundamental component in it, and we are getting sponsorship, we are getting the approval from the different publishing houses. Today's committee, so as it is in a very small scale, we are unable to invite the chairs, the program chair and general chair, because it needs, say, funding, and it is very difficult to arrange government funding as we are, say, private institute. The general chair of this say conference is Andrew Yip. He is a professor in Polytechnic, Hong Kong Polytechnic, and he is a renowned professor, editor-in-chief of, say, more than 4 to 5 journals as well as book series. Professor Fakharchari is the program chair. He is supposed to join today, therefore in the morning we have changed the table, you must have seen, but now it is say morning 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in Tunisia, and he has not yet joined through the Zoom link. However, he will be joining afterward during his office time to take some of the presentation online. The program co-chair is Professor Dr. Bipul Jain. He is from New Zealand, University of Wellington. He was here for 1 month during April, May, and through him we have saved this conference as well as another conference we are holding after 2 months, that is on say AI and metaverse in supply chain management. He is a expert in supply chain management. Then we have with us Professor Chun Ho Woo. He is from Hong Kong Polytechnic. He has also helped us in getting the approval from Springer. Today we have two eminent speakers, Professor RP Mohandi sir, who was Vice Chancellor of SOA University. I was also serving in the SOA University, and he is a guru in mechanical engineering. Started his journey from Burla Engineering College, shifted to management area, to XLRI, then NITI Mumbai, and finally he joined SOA University as Vice Chancellor, and afterward he is a constant mentor and advisor to SOA University. He has having more than 30 years of experience in academics in India as well as foreign university, and more than 10 years in Indian industry in top management positions. He is currently engaged in the leadership position of management consulting, management competency development, and many other areas. He had numerous publications, which includes 6 textbooks, more than 200 research papers in reputed international journals and book series, more than 100 papers in Indian journal and newspaper articles. He had the privilege of guiding 12 PhD research scholars and several hundreds master theses, and advised more than 25 big companies in India and abroad in the area of engineering and management. He has also served as chairman and president of many professional associations in India, also as a board member in International Professional Institute. He has have the honor of being elected as the Fellow of Indian National Engineering Academy for 2004 towards outstanding contribution in engineering, and in the year 2003 he received the most prestigious Sar Visvesvaraya Award for outstanding contribution in the field of technical education and technology management from Sambalpur University. Sambalpur University has conferred him upon Intellectual Colossus Award for the year 2003 as an honor to his profound contribution to the field of management education in India and abroad. In 1997, he was chosen as the most outstanding academician and honored by UNITOP, awarded by Indian Institution of Material Management. In the year 1995, Indian Institution of Industrial Engineering has honored him by its highest award, that is Lillian Gilbert Award, for the most significant and outstanding contribution to the field of industrial engineering and management. So give him a big round of applause for his outstanding contribution to the engineering as well as management. People are from either engineering and technology or in management. He has combined both the field, and he is a guru in this field. So today we have another Yes, yes. So another eminent person, Professor Bhubaneswar Biswal, who is also senior to me in Burla Engineering College, and he was also my teacher in Burla Engineering College, and we started the career at Burla Engineering College. After that he shifted to NIT Raulkela as Professor Training and Placement, then he shifted to NIT Meghalaya as the director. Then now presently he is Vice Chancellor of OUTR, that is Odisha University of Technology and Research, very recently founded university of the Orissa, and he has many things in his credit. To his credit, he has served as director of NIT Meghalaya since 2017. Now he has been appointed as the Vice Chancellor of OUTR Bhubaneswar. His area of interest include flexible manufacturing system, industrial robots, mechatronics, CIM, CAD/CAM, product design, rapid product development, quality engineering, automation, and many more. He has undergone extensive and specialized training and operation and control of robotics at BARC, Mumbai. He has undergone training on modeling and simulation of robots, robotic work cells, and factory floor at DENEB, Bangalore. To his credit, he has developed many robots during his tenure at Burla as well as in NIT Meghalaya. He has more than 150 publications at various national and international level, including monographs, journals, as well as book series. He has guidance of more than 20 scholars, out of which 11 scholars have been awarded and others are in pipeline. He is a prominent member of IEEE, ISTAM, life member of ISTE, and Association of Machines and Mechanics. He is also active member of International Association of Computer Science and IT and International Association of Engineers. So with this, I welcome both the stalwarts, who are befitting to the title of Industry 4.0 and Smart Manufacturing. We are very fortunate to have him here, and I must tell that this is a conference series. It will be going on year to year. So next year, I will be requesting both these stalwarts to be a part of this conference. If they will agree, we will be having them as chair, not as guest. So with this, I remain. Thank you.